Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to landscape video on TikTok. First let's open TikTok app in your phone. From here you are going to tap on the plus, then you will select the video that you want to upload or you can record a video. For this I will simply tap on upload, then select the video. Now to rotate the video in landscape, you will simply tap on edit on the top on the right hand corner menu. Now tap on edit button in below. You are going to tap on the box icon in the right hand corner, the box with the arrow around it, and there you can see that the video is now in landscape. Now you can tap on next and finish your uploading. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.